Numbers in tens and units form. Sita sells strings of beads. She sells them in strings of 10 beads or as single beads. Reshma wants 15 beads. How should Sita count out 15 beads for her? Other girls also want to buy beads. Write how Sita should give them the beads they want. Two-digit numbers on a string of 100. Look at the number 32 shown on a string of 100. Show the following numbers on a string of 100. Numbers in tens and units form. Write the given number in the tens units form. Look at the tens and units and write the number. The ascending and descending order of numbers. When climbing up the stairs, which stair out of 27, 25 or 21, which stair will Sushma climb first? 21. Which stair will Sushma reach next? 25. Which stair will Sushma reach last? 27. When climbing down the stairs, which stair out of 27, 25 or 21, which stair will Sushma be at first? 27. Which stair will Sushma be at next? 25. Which stair will Sushma be at last? 21. Out of the numbers 42, 47 and 45, which is the smallest, the biggest and the middle number? When counting, the number 42 comes first. So, 42 is the smallest. 47 comes last. So, 47 is the biggest number. 45 is between 42 and 47. So, the ascending order of these numbers is 42, 45, 47. Introducing numbers in steps. Observe the rabbit's leaps. Read the number from which the rabbit starts. On counting 3 numbers forward after 3, we get the number 6. If we count 3 numbers forward after 6, we get the number 9. Thus, every time, we get the next number by counting 3 more numbers forward. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 are the numbers. Observe the deer's leaps. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 are the numbers in step of 5. Numbers in steps. By counting forward. Look at the numbers in the colored boxes. Find the step. The numbers in the colored boxes are in steps of 3. Numbers in steps. By repeated addition. 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19. On adding 3 to 4, we get 7. On adding 3 to 7, we get 10. On adding 3 to 10, we get 13. On adding 3 to 13, we get 16. Hence, these numbers are in steps of 3.